I want to teach you today how to get the Google Calendar that we use as a team with all these daily tasks linked to your calendar. So you have multiple options. Right here, we post our systems every single day. So if you go to the Bullet Train system link right here, and then go to our website or any of our websites, they all have a Google Calendar link like this. If you go to the virtual party one, you'll see the virtual party calendar right here as well. So right here, you'll see a little plus, okay? So I'm gonna do it on this account. This is my daughter's account, so I can show you how it works. So you wanna click on the little plus and it says add to Google Calendar. So she doesn't have this calendar yet. So then it pops up and it says add. So now you go ahead and you click add the calendar, okay? Now you can see the calendar pops up down here under other calendars, not up here under my calendars. And you can literally turn it on and off. Now I suggest you use this as a day view. And up here, when you click more, these are the daily tasks for your parties every single day. It's literally all right here for you. Now, that's how you add it to your Google Calendar. And then on your phone, let me show you how that would look like on your phone and share my screen from my phone right now. So on your phone, let me go ahead and